April Fools, motherfuckers! Ha! Guess what? All of you, I'm sure, you probably thought, is Adam really closing down his podcast? Guys, when I say I am, but I'm gonna let all of you all know now. I've been getting more and more people wanting to come on my show. So, with that said, again, yes, this is going to just be a few more weeks with a few more interviews. And I want to tell all of you something. That is, a lot of people are reading my book now too. And they're saying, damn, Adam, you're like, this is like 50 Shades of Grey shit. I'm like, yeah, I know. I fucking know. Guys, I read my own book before I even put it out there, and I know that this shit is the fucking shit. But either way, look, I'm going to put that in the show notes. Today's podcast is on fitness. Listen closely, because I am showing my man Gabe the foam roller. Alright, appreciate you guys for listening. Stay tuned. Yes, I am closing my podcast, but just a few more episodes left. I know you thought it would be the end of March, but I April fooled your ass. Ha! See you soon, guys. You are listening to the Masculinity Show, a podcast for introverts to get more confidence, more importantly, more self-worth, and of course, get more fit. Women are a side benefit. More importantly, I turn nice guys into bad motherfuckers. Let's get into the content. You fucking legend. Sponsored by Brain FM. Real binaural beats that has sleep tracks, meditation tracks, recharge tracks, relaxation tracks, focus tracks, which, by the way, those focus tracks are really fucking good. Man, do I focus when I am writing my blogs, you guys. Okay, let's get into the content. I fucking love it. If you'd sign up right now.
For a while, and then it starts to burn, and then it feels better. It's like whenever you're doing therapeutic cupping.
Yeah. Oh, dude. The IT band is like a massive muscle, you know?
Yeah.
So, I would say that foam rolling, the IT band, you're gonna really feel it. Yeah, like I feel it too. I know.
I'm happy I'm like a masochist because.
Did you say a masochist?
Yeah.
Gabe has a dark side.
Oh my god, you don't even know. I have the best dark side. No, I love it. But yeah, I love pain because there's a point where it ends. It's my favorite part of pain. You can control when it ends.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna get the other leg now.
Okay. See, like that like relief you feel whenever you pop off of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is my bad leg too, so my bad hip. See, on this side, it's cool. It's sort of cool.
So yeah, we warm up with the treadmill, even though I'm not a fan of cardio, right? Because I don't really like that term. I really use the term conditioning.
I like that. I like that. I miss cross-country conditioning. It was one of my favorite things in the summertime.
So I have this full workout that I have for free on my website. For free, dude. That people paid $40 a month for.
Really?
Yeah, $40 a month for. It's the ultimate conditioning guide. I've seen people lose up to like 30 pounds.
People doing it?
Yeah, it's insane, dude. Now we're kind of doing the glutes, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is an important muscle. A lot of people don't realize that when you, for example, you do Bulgarian split squats, they think, oh, it's the quads, but no, you're really working the glutes.
Yeah.
And then when you're doing reverse lunges, you think it's the quads, but no, you're also working the glutes. There's a lot of movements.
The burn up here, though.
Yeah. There's a lot of movements that people think that they're working, the big muscle, but they don't realize that they're really hitting those weak muscles, and this is the weak muscle that is the glutes.
Yeah.
They're very, very weak. If you have weak glutes, then you're likely to have low back issues.
I thought you were going to say you're going to have a flat ass. I was like, is that why I have a flat ass? And I was like, oh, that makes sense.
No comment there. No comment. No comment. What is up, brothers? Now, you heard Adam when he can be a funny motherfucker, not such a serious motherfucker. Well, here's this motherfucking podcast on foam rolling, motherfuckers. So, let's get to it, shall we? Guys, this term is called self-myofascial release. That's why I titled this podcast SMFR, how to foam roll. Now, understand this, you guys. I'm probably going to be getting less clicks on this because, let's face it, a lot of my podcasts, people click on the ones where I say 10x your masculinity, or, for example, how to get into pure seduction mode. It doesn't matter. What I'm saying here is people are clicking on my dating podcasts more than my health and fitness ones. I don't give a fuck, you guys. I'm going to release an episode on foam rolling today. And yes, March has been basically coming to a close, you guys. And you heard, Adam, aren't you shutting down your podcast? Well, yes, you guys, I am. But I'm going to tell you all something. Because I am going to interview someone on my show. Okay, his name is Jesse. All right. I'm going to be releasing a few more because I want to drop that interview. And I want you all to know something. Because I'm interviewing Jesse, I want you all to hear both me and Jesse talking fitness. And it'll be in the coming weeks ahead. However, you guys understand this. I just really want to give you the goods today on foam rolling. Okay? The goods on foam rolling. First off, you guys understand something. This is a tool that not enough people use. They go to the massage chairs at Planet Fitness, which I don't blame you. I mean, I go on that too, you guys. But I want to be clear with all of you, okay? I want to be clear with all of you. If you do not foam roll, you're likely to have less mobile joints. What do I mean by that? Guys, plain and simple, you're not going to have the mobile joints that you should be having. All right? Does that make sense, you guys? Does that make sense? If you don't have mobile joints, then that's not good. Okay, so start foam rolling more often, and understand, you guys, that I have an article on my website called General Guide to Mobility Training. So, wait, Adam, what do you know about mobility training? Well, here's what I know, you guys. Here's what I fucking know. All right? I know that without having good mobility, not only are you increasing your chance of injury, but you will also have delayed onset muscle soreness. More importantly, you guys understand this. This was the very first thing I learned getting into fitness. Very first thing. When I first got into fitness, you guys, I learned the foam roller very fucking fast. And because of that, you guys, out of all of the training classes that I've run, basically from fucking when I was 26 to about like 29, I was training in fitness classes. I've trained up to like 150 people. I'm not even fucking making that number up, you guys. I'm being completely real with you, okay? I wouldn't make, guys, some trainers do lie about that, and I'm not one of them, okay? I'm not one of them. So be mindful of who you take advice from when it comes to fitness. However, the point to this podcast, you guys, is I want you to get the most out of this podcast. That is, get a foam roller and start foam rolling. Lastly, you guys, I want to tell you something. Just recently, I got a certification in PNF stretching. Okay, what is that? That stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Now, those of you trainers listening, you know that PNF and SMFR are two totally different things. So, I'm going to tell you all something. PNF, these fancy terms, you guys, most people don't give a fuck. Most people don't give a fuck. They're like wondering, Adam, I just want to know what to do. I get it, you guys, but I have to really kind of flex up a little bit and tell you that I know what the fuck I'm talking about when it comes to stretching. PNF, proprioceptive, neuromuscular facilitation. SMFR, self-myofascial release. You get me? Good. Okay, so PNF is assisted stretching. SMFR is what you just heard with me showing Gabe the foam roller. All right, you guys, understand this. I want you all to digest something. Basically, taking him through this protocol that I've been creating, right? And I posted his results already on Facebook, you guys. And I want to be clear with you, okay? I'm not putting my Facebook in the show notes, okay? My podcast is too controversial. No, not doing that. So, what is the point behind this podcast, you guys? What is the fucking point? I want you to remember that Adam is still a personal trainer, and I'm going to come back to that at the end of the day. Guys, health is wealth. And for you to ignore your health because you think looks doesn't matter, I don't give a fuck. Start working on your health, or you're going to not basically have the results in your fucking overall well-being. You're not going to be content because you feel like shit. I'm just going to plug my article, General Guide to Mobility Training, and that's free on my website. Free. So, last but not least, you guys, understand this. No, I'm not going to talk about my Clarity FM fitness consultations either. I'm just simply going to tell you the fact that you've got to focus on your health. Okay, without recovering, you're going to fucking hurt yourself. Last big point here I want to make, you guys, before I wrap up this podcast. If you want to feel better in your body, basically be springier. Is that a word? Springier. That's what I said. Springier. Fuck. I made that word up, you guys. Basically, you're more loose. You're more mobile. Your performance is much better, if that makes sense. If you want to feel like a freaking younger guy, if you're an older dude listening to my podcast, do some foam rolling, you guys. Do some foam rolling, all right? So, I appreciate you guys for listening. See you next time. You are fucking awesome. You're looking majestic over there, dude. Damn. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, damn, I look majestic. I know, that was random. Anyways, peace out. I love you.